Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Raspberry Lemonade Popsicles. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is juice some lemons. So to help them release more juice, press and roll them on the countertop. Then cut them in half. And then juice them. Then pour it through a sieve to get rid of the seeds and pulp and pour it into a measuring cup. And pour it into a medium bowl. And add in the sugar, water, and lemon zest. And whisk them really well together until all the sugar has dissolved. Then add some fresh raspberries into a popsicle mold, or if you don't have a mold, I have a video on my channel showing how to make popsicles without one, and I'll link to that video in the description box. And pour in the lemonades that we just made. Then add the lid on top. And add a popsicle stick into each one. And place it into the freezer for at least 4 hours until it's frozen solid. And once it's ready, remove it from the freezer and take off the lid. And to get it out of the mold, place it into a bowl filled with hot water and leave it in for a few seconds. And carefully remove each popsicle from the mold. If they're not coming out easily, just put it back into the hot water for a little bit longer. And that's how to make Raspberry Lemonade Popsicles. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.